welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a vlog.
Hey!
It is currently, what time is it?
2:43.
2:43 and we are on our way to a food truck. And I'm super excited. And then we are going to go to Starbucks probably and get something to drink. And then we're going to come home and we are going to work out. So yeah, we will keep you updated.
Okay, guys, here is the update. So we stopped and got gas, and now we are on our way there, but we had to turn around because we don't really know where we're going, honestly, okay? And we turned on a road that was closed. I told Emily, I said, just go. It said local traffic, and like, we're local, like, you know, like, it'll be okay. The road was completely blocked and we couldn't go through, so we weren't okay. We had to do a 10-point turn in the middle of the road. So now we don't know where we're going,
But we're gonna meet her, Mallory and Mason there.
yeah, we're gonna have a little car date. We're gonna stay in our car, so don't worry.
Yeah.
But yeah, I just thought we'd update you on that. Okay, here's the next update. We are on the interstate now because our friend Mallory, she found it, and so she sent us her location, and now we are 9 minutes away, so almost there. Also, this is like Emily's first time driving the interstate. Second time. She's doing great.
Actually,
so.
third.
Oh,
Once with my driver's ed teacher, once my mom, and Anna.
yeah. So we'll let you know when we get there. Okay, Emily. I got Tenderloin, everybody, and we got lemon shake-ups, and we got a corn dog. Hey, everybody. We just got back on the road, you know, on the interstate again.
Got our lemon shake-ups.
Yes. We had a great time, you know. So now we're just gonna be headed home, do some chores for my mom, and then do our workout.
4 miles.
Not looking forward to that, so wish us luck.
Yeah. Hi guys, time for an update.
Yeah.
So we just ran like
a mile.
Pausing workout.
yes, and so we ran like half a mile, and we have to keep walking because we're tired.
Resuming workout.
Yeah.
Out of shape.
And we're about to start running again the rest of the way back.
Yeah.
So like another mile.
We'll keep you updated.
Okay.
Hi guys, so we just got done. Well, actually, we've been sitting here for like an hour, but we got done working out.
She's not naked.
No, I'm. Yeah. But we went on a run, and we got back. Wait, did we already tell them what we did before? Yeah, we did. Okay, sorry, but we got back from the run, and then we did an ab workout and a leg workout, and then we just chilled and talked to our parents and stuff.
1 second, I'll show you which leg workout we did.
Yeah.
And then, okay, we did this by Holly Dolk, the Slim Legs workout. It was only a 7-minute one because we were a little tired.
Should check it out. It's pretty fun. You can really feel the burn.
And then we did this Chloe Ting best 10-minute lower abs workout routine, lose lower belly fat.
Yeah.
That one. So
Yeah, they can definitely see that.
Chloe Ting anything is pretty much good.
Sorry. So yeah,
Gross.
that is all we did, and now we're probably gonna get some Taco Bell. Maybe. I don't know. We really want to,
I
but
feel like on
don't.
one hand I'm like, ooh, that sounds really good, and like we worked really hard so we can get it. On the other hand, I'm like,
Yeah.
I just worked really hard. Like, do I really want to ruin that being Taco Bell?
yeah. So now
But-
we're just trying to decide. I've
Yeah.
been craving Taco Bell since yesterday, so we're probably gonna go.
Probably.
But if we do, we'll show you guys.
If not, we'll show you what we cook.
Yeah. So yeah. What did you get, Oli?
I got a Baja Blast freeze. They gave it to me for free actually, because I ordered regular Baja Blast and they didn't give it to me. So we went back around and I ordered regular Baja Blast freeze and they gave us both larges, but they gave me this one for free. Then I got our Crunchwrap Supreme.
Yummy. And I got Baja Blast freeze and some nachos with no beef.
We're dancing, handshakes in the Hamptons and getting drunk in the mansion. When you go big time.
Hey guys. It's a couple days later.
No, it's not. It's 1 day later.
It's 1 day later, I mean. We kind of just forgot to finish
Wait,
it
so last night we went to Taco Bell and then we came home
Yes,
and we
that
watched
was
the
it.
100
Yeah. Oh my goodness, my hair.
and then we just went to bed because it was
Yeah.
like 1 o'clock.
So, yeah, but thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Yeah, and I'll see you later.
Bye.